For your project this week, you're going to be learning about colours and how they affect mood and create atmosphere in a picture. And the picture that you're going to be drawing is one of a tree in a landscape, and we're going to use different colours to show different moods. And we're going to begin by learning how to draw the tree, because it's always useful, and trees are a little bit tricky, but this is a really simple method that anybody can do. You're going to begin by drawing a Y shape. Now I'm going to make my Y lean slightly to the right because I just quite like to do that. And from each tip you're going to bring it down, and here you're going to create a trunk. There we go. Everybody can do that. That's the first step. Nice and simple. Now, tree branches are joined to main branches with a V shape. So if I want to draw another branch here and I bring it down, I need to join it a little wide at the bottom as in a V shape. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. And I'm going to take that up here, and I'm going to draw two more on there, and then I'm going to bring it up here and just leave it as points at the moment. Over here I'm going to create another branch. It's going to come out and down, and I'm just going to bring that round there to join, because that's how they join. And then over here another one. I'm going to do the same thing. You'll see me extend these out in a moment so that we have more and more branches. Extend this one out slightly here. And take it across the tree. Because overlapping creates a sense of perspective in what we're seeing in front of us. So having one or two branches overlap and go behind another is really useful. Sometimes it helps to just turn the paper round to get the effect that you want and to make it a little easier. And there we go, one tree. So when you've drawn the tree, the next thing that you need to do is you're going to need to draw, the next element that you're going to need to draw is the sun or the moon. But you want to put it off centre, so we don't want it right in the middle. You want to have it to one side, so either over here or over there, and you want it to be quite large, and you want it to be circular. So we're not drawing a new moon, we want it to be a full moon. And I think I'm going to put mine over here, partly because in my other model I drew it on the other side, so it would be fun to see how I go on with one here. So there is the drawn part. We just have one last thing to do, and that is going to be to create a horizon line. And this is quite important, but you need to do it really lightly. I'm going to put mine about here, but you could have it up here. You could even have it down here, but I'm going to put mine in the middle. There we go, the drawn part all done.